This question about brake pads from Christian, more specifically, when should they be replaced? Now, your brake pads are made of three main parts: rotors, a metal wheel inside your tire attached to the overall brake system, calipers, which squeeze the rotor to cause friction to slow the car to a stop, and brake pads, which are attached to the calipers to keep them from scraping the rotor directly. So a couple things here. As a general rule of thumb, you should get those brake pads replaced every 10 to 20,000 miles to keep the wear to a minimum. When it comes to your rotors, you have a bit longer. Your rotors should be replaced between 50 and 70,000 miles to keep the brakes in peak health. When you hit these milestones, then you should probably bring it into a service center, have them check it out for wear and damage. One more thing here, 5 signs that you need new brake pads. Real easy things to recognize some symptoms when you're driving. Number 1, you hear a squealing noise. 2, you hear a clicking noise. 3, bringing the car to a stop takes more time than it used to. Number 4, the nose of your car pulls to one side when you brake. And number 5, the brake pedal vibrates when pressed. Christian, I believe that answers your question. Hey, welcome back to Dave's Auto Care Call Center. Today's question from David: how often should you have your transmission flushed? Fortunately, someone's already responded in the comment section of this post. Don't flush it, they say. It can cause problems. Advice is to just drain it. Do it every 35,000 miles or so. Not sure if this person is a certified mechanic or what research they've done, but here's what I found for you. Each manufacturer recommends a transmission flush interval for their vehicles. How often? Well, most recommendations are every 30 to 50,000 miles, so that's right there in the range of 35,000. While this recommendation may vary depending on the type of transmission, driving conditions, and other factors, most transmissions should be flushed every 2 years to help maintain a clean, smooth shifting transmission. By the way, how much transmission fluid do you need? Well, this also ranges based on the vehicle. So, for example, you could use as little as 8 to 9 quarts for small passenger vehicles, up to more than 20 quarts for heavy-duty trucks. So how do you know if your transmission is going bad in the first place? There's a couple of symptoms that you can look out for. They include slipping out of gears, rough shifting from gear to gear, delayed shifting, and when the transmission fluid is leaking. If you notice any of these things, schedule a service appointment as soon as possible. So Dave, I bought a car recently. I want to make sure I take proper care of it and stay on top of its maintenance and schedule. Good idea. Question: how many miles should a car have before it's time to change spark plugs? Great question. The answer: around 30,000 miles. It's time to change your spark plugs around that mile marker. In terms of time, that evens out to about every 2 or 3 years. But if you want more price estimates, just check your vehicle's manual. However, that estimate, take it with a grain of salt, because if you're experiencing rough idling, a decrease in fuel economy, difficulty starting your engine, poor acceleration, or frequent engine misfires, okay, it may be time for a spark plug replacement. On average, be prepared for this. On average, the cost of spark plug replacement hovers between $120 and $150 for both parts and labor. Good question. If you have a question about a car repair that you're interested in getting an answer to, leave in the comment section below and we'll continue the conversation in future videos. One final note: if you are in the market for a new vehicle soon, great. Connect with your local dealership and price and test drive at least 3 different vehicles. A vehicle's strengths and weaknesses can only be discovered when you are behind the wheel. My reviews can be good, but you need to test drive these yourself. Visit quotes.everymandriver.com, select the make, model, and your zip code, and you'll get invoice pricing in your area on those vehicles. Shop smarter with price quotes at quotes.everymandriver.com.
Thanks for watching. Please click subscribe and give us a thumbs up. See you next time.